In this video, I will show EZStation how you can add camera and view live view, and also you can add EZ cloud devices also. When you after an installation and all, open EZStation, then you put your password. When you open first time, it will give all the local device available. So if your NVR is connected to all camera is connected to NVR, you don't need to add the camera. Only select the NVR and you put the password of NVR here. Then click add. Now you can see here in encoding device, the camera, the NVR is online. After that, go to live view, click live view here. Then you can find the NVR name and the channel, all everything here. From bottom, you can select how many boxes, how many cameras to see. So if I select 16, you will get the 16 view together. So on that, if you double click on the NVR, all the 16 all the camera which you have added to the NVR, it will show here. Now I will show you how you can add remote devices, like the device is in somewhere and you want to access it here, like in EZView mobile application. For that, go to device manager and click cloud device. In cloud device, you can find login. Use your username. So just log in and click auto login. When you log, you will get all the online devices you added in. This is online one, and this camera is online camera, which I added in the cloud only. So this way you can see the NVR and camera in EZStation. Here there is three options. From this option, in the second option, you can customize to view how many cameras you want in one window. After clicking plus mark, you put a name. Then which camera you want to add, just click on this camera and then click the mouse on the second box, and then there is middle one button called batch add. Click that. There another window will open. Here you can select which view you want, main view or sub view. If you want to get smooth running, you select sub and click OK. Now I added one which is remote device, and then here the next I will add local device. For example, I added these three in this other three. Then click here. Then you select main or sub. Then OK. So this 4 box I already configured as a test. Then you click here down. OK. Now from custom view, there you will find one. I added how many windows you want. Then you click on play button. You will see only that 4 windows. So from here you can add how many type of views you want to see. Okay. Thank you.